I have never found a $1,000 item at a yard sale sitting there at like 10:30 in the morning. But here's a story on how it happened.
What will we find? Hey, we found you.
Of course, we run into a family member getting something crazy.
What is it?
For the dogs.
Dog ramp.
On the bed, man.
Yeah, dog ramp.
But we're here searching for stuff that we can sell on eBay.
Eric Lindros. That's cool.
But to be honest with you, my wife finds so much better stuff. This Betty Boop sweater, oh my gosh, I think she's gonna get like $30 for it. She only had it for like $5.
You think so? Worth 5?
Let's see if we can bundle
Do some deals.
We just made our way over here. Yeah.
To right field and deep, and it is gone. Klesko hits one out.
I will definitely always be digging through toys. I don't find anything here, but they also had some really cool clothes. But we walked away with just those 3 items.
20?
20?
Yeah.
On to the next yard sale, buying stuff, you know, shoes for my daughter that really doesn't need anymore. But this yard sale was fun. You know, I'm here looking up something, I have no idea what it is. But my wife ends up picking up some really cool purses. You see that one in her hand? Boom, that's right, it already sold $45. But she goes ahead and gets this Dooney and Burke purse. Also,
get the 2 purses.
a good $15 spent.
Perfect.
13, 14, 15.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
But on a serious note here, yeah. I think my wife's got a little bit of an addiction problem. You've seen the last couple videos. He's going crazy for wall art right now. It looks good in the house, but you're gonna see the biggest one we've purchased. It wasn't a bad price, but guys, comment below, like, I don't know. Do we need to put a stop to it, or do you just want to see her keep getting all this stuff?
Every time I think of you, another small piece of my heart breaks. You had laughter, hope, and a gift.
I desperately need to have a yard sale. Oh my gosh.
Hello, welcome.
How's it going?
It's huge. For $5. All of a sudden, I'm like, every piece, I'm like, look at that, it's so beautiful, and I never used to be that way. Right, like you say so. Yeah, bitch.
You got change?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Enjoy it.
But you need to know the truth. It's not all like rainbows and butterflies. She loves all the butterflies. No, we go to a ton of yard sales. You see in these videos, you're going to see us find stuff at like 3 or 4 yard sales. But to be honest with you, we go to like 30 yard sales, and we only find 5 or 6 of them have enough stuff for us to actually sell and try to make some money to pay our bill, get the stuff sold on eBay and things like that. But we still go out there, but I'll just show you quickly just a small example of what it's like going out there, filming, and strike out. It happens over and over.
Roll it. What's the road car map?
Please do. Yeah, just ride by and be like, look what this Thigh Master did for me.
A Thigh Master?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess so, yeah. I guess she bought a Thigh Master and she's using it right then and there. But we never give up. I mean, officially we're leaving this one with nothing because we did give up. But get ready, because we love finding stuff like this.
Books. Hey, guess what? Plush. I see a Hello Kitty.
Oh, it's on the ground. Okay. I was like, is it a bird? What is it on?
TY.
So I see this cooktop and I do exactly what any reseller would do.
About to do my flea market flipper.
Right. What are you looking at?
It's brand new.
Oh wow.
It's nighttime and I'm listening for this really loud owl. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Oh my god. Sorry. That thing was just outside the shed making all that noise. But did you hear how excited my wife was?
Oh, wow.
New. This thing's like $2,400. Saw some pre-owned ones. I'll throw those up. Looks like $1,500, $1,200, somewhere in there. But you're never gonna guess. I'm telling you. I threw out an offer and she took it. Guess the price. I mean, you'll see it in just like 20 seconds.
So what's the story on the cooktop?
So I bought it for my house before I bought my house because I thought it was gas and my house was not gas. So I bought it for like $200 from someone else. It was used, but it works.
Okay.
But we've never used it. So it's been sitting in my garage forever. So
Would you do 40 on it?
sure.
40?
Good deal.
So it's a really good brand.
You get the
Yeah.
cow.
There you go.
It's heavy. It is heavy. And
You put
All right, yeah, let's go get that cooked up. There it is. And yes, I threw it at offer because, yeah, it said $60 or make offer. And I'm figuring it was there at 10:30. Nobody had picked it up. So many people walked by this thing. So I was like, $40. She was like, sure, go ahead, take it. Now, looking over things, Wolf is the brand. I did find some of these things. One part that is missing on all these are these little, like, the caps that go over the burners. Not a problem. I can get them ordered on like Amazon for like anywhere $30 to $50. But I was just gonna see what you think. Do you sell it like on Marketplace as is, just like it's sitting? Take $40 and give somebody a deal, $500, $600, I don't know. Do you go through and clean it? Do we clean it? Do we go ahead and order those caps? Would this be an incredible eBay flip? I'm a little nervous. I don't know. What do you think? Shipping this thing? No, there's a great podcast, Flea Market Flipper. He talks about getting these high profit items. And when you can get it for $40 and have the potential of making over $1,000, I don't know. I still have to test it out. Here, let me see if I have the propane hooked up. No, I'm just kidding. I am just still amazed. I have never taken the risk on something like this. This is not in my wheelhouse. I said it in the video, toys, clothes, knickknacks, oddballs, and it oddballs, odds and ends, things like that. That's kind of my collection right up there. You just see, yeah, I'm a nostalgia kid, except for Commonwealth Picker. Definitely go check him out. But that's my wheelhouse. That's my kind of bread and butter. That's the stuff I go for. I can quickly look it up. But I just want to say, take a chance on this stuff. I don't know. I think I'm going to get those caps. I think we're going to get all the money we can out of this thing. If I buy $40, let's say I spend $60. If I'm $100 all in, everything is working. I think we have a $1,000 piece here. But thanks again for watching the video, for tuning in. Yeah, we will, for sure. Yard sale is needed. Look, it just goes deep, everybody. There's so much stuff. If you live close to us in Central Virginia, we'll let you know. If you're a subscriber and you come to our yard sale, I will give you an incredible deal. I will make a pile. We'll do $1 an item. We're just ready to get stuff going because I want to jump back into storage units. I got some vehicles to fix. I got just things to work on. I want to get the trailer back out there. But I just got to say thank you so much for growing the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. God bless you. We love you. And we'll see you in the next video.